Hey, how you all doing? I'm back in the mountain. This is Blue Ridge Mountain, and right now is a peak foliage season. You know, the leaves are turning orange and yellow. It's absolutely beautiful out here, and I'm glad to be out here, enjoying my weekend. And I'm on the Appalachian Trail, on my way to I believe it's called Tibbet Knob, and I'll show you some more video when I get there. Yeah, I finally made it to the place called Tibbet. There are people around. That's where the noise is coming from. This is a beautiful place. I love coming here. Take a look. Look at the beautiful foliage.
I tried to get the wildlife guys to start doing that, and one of them does it all the time. And Al hates it.
Al is great though. I think my favorite thing about that show is the new strategy.
Yeah, that's an awesome concept.
That should be right to the left. You like know when Smith says something, and like they're about to be like.
Yeah, like $5.
Wait, this most recent episode where they like takes a drink like, yeah.
You searching, Josh? Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? This is Stephen Kim. I'm standing at a place called Tibbet Knob, and this is in Blue Ridge Mountain. It's part of the Appalachian Trail. Again, this is a time of foliage. Leaves are turning yellow and orange, and the view is absolutely spectacular. It's beautiful out here. Well, enjoy the view. I'm about to show you a place called, there's another place where hikers like to go, Big Shore or something like that. That rock formation out there, it's kind of shaky. A lot of people out there right now. Let me see if I can try to stabilize this. Sorry about that. Right there, that's the place, Big Shore. Well, got a nice zoom. Well, there are houses, in the back.